Well, so what is going on, guys? It's Timothy right here, back with another video. So into this video, guys, we're gonna teach you how to create a lock picker using in random. So if you are new in Python, make sure you go down below and see my other videos so you can be a good boy. So let's type import random, then type AI equals, what do you call this? Oh my gosh, random dot rand. And so what are we gonna be doing to here into this inside of that open close parentheses is the type the first lowest possible number, lowest possible number, sorry, and then the highest, so 1 and 2. Then so if AI equals 1, print you are out of block. Then type else, print you are in lock. Well, it's just simple basic program. Well, let's try that. Print Python app.py, and let's try that. It says you are lock, you're in lock, you're in lock, you're in lock, you're out of lock, you're in out of lock, then you're in lock. So yes, I think it's vice versa though, I don't know why. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This new mic is actually good though. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the thumbs up, or I think you can see me. Click the thumbs up button. Yeah, click the thumbs up, and don't hit this, but you can click the subscribe actually. Yeah, I think you don't know how to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and you scroll down a little bit and you see a red button that says subscribe, and then click that. It does really help. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.